200, get it, withdraw, confirm. Okay, easy.
I'm rich, bitch!
What's up, YouTube? We're gonna take out some money from acorns. If you don't have acorns, I'll leave a link in the description below. They'll pay you $5 to sign up. We're gonna go through it a little bit, I guess. Open it up, says I have $202 in there. Invest in your future. I don't like how they say that because, we'll go over it real quick, I am in the most aggressive portfolio, but it's not, I don't like it as an investment app. It's a cash flow app. Takes money from my bank account, puts it in this account every time I buy something. Roundup settings, I have it set to 2 times, go into a full dollar. Then recruiting, $10 first of the month. I don't know when I set that up, I just left it. But we're just gonna withdraw, continue, 200, get it, withdraw, confirm. Withdrawal request, $200 request and pending. Please allow 3 to 6 business days for processing. Okay. Easy. So where did that $200 even come from? Roundups. I have done 1,211 roundups. I have rounded up $1,607 over however many years I've had this app. How it works. Every time you use a linked card, we round up the purchase up to the next whole dollar and invest that. I don't like how they say invest that because it just saves it. There's hardly any growth for investing. It's mainly just for savings. But then it just goes over it. Dutch Bros, 50-cent roundup. Shell, forgot to make coffee, bought a Shell coffee. Planet Fitness, paid myself $2 for having my gym membership. Juanita's Dayton Cafe, we bought some ice cream the other day. PlayStation, my son bought his own subscription, but it takes a debit card. Use my debit card, his money. Well, actually, that comes out of my bank account, so. Then I invested in my M1 Finance account, charged myself $2. Quicken Loans, paid my mortgage, $2. Domino's Pizza, 4 cents, but times 2, 8 cents. Taco Bell, went to fast food, paid myself $2. It all comes out of my bank account, and then whenever I need money, I just take it out of this account. It takes 6 or 7 days or whatever it says to withdraw, but I don't really care about that. It's more of cash flow. It's going to come to me, so I already have other money that now I'm free to spend. So we're going to put 100 into my Robinhood account. Transfer to Robinhood. 100. Review. Submit. Deposit initiated. Continue. Done. That's new. Congratulations, huh? Cool. And then we're going to put 100 in the Roth. Funding history. I've done 1,380 this year. I did 6,000 last year. Connected bank. Deposit. Current year. 100. Next. Transfer. Confirm transfer. Transfer done. Portfolio. We're down 10% on that one. It's retirement. So retirement is 10% on sale for me. That's why I put it in there. I'm literally $100 closer to retiring come Monday when that goes in. Robinhood now has cash management. It's not what I'm going to use. I'm just buying everything. They're all red. Everything's on sale. The whole market's down. So I'm just buying everything I can. I had 200 in my acorns. Pull that out. Spend it. That's how you become rich. Step 1, make money. Step 2, use that money to make more money, which is the Roth IRA, my Robinhood, The acorns, they paid me $5 to sign up, and now they just help me save money to invest and get more money and more money until I no longer need to do anything, hopefully. Someday. 25 fucking years.
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.